If salmon usually turns out a little bland at home, this fresh citrus pepper salmon rub fixes that instantly. The fresh citrus zest and cracked pepper, mixed with other spices, will make your salmon taste like straight out of a seafood restaurant. The full recipe link is in the description below. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon zest and 1 tablespoon of fresh orange zest into a bowl for that fresh, citrusy base. Next, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of cracked black pepper and 1 teaspoon of white pepper to bring in warmth and bold flavor. Now add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of onion powder to deepen the savory side of the rub. Then mix in 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar to balance everything with a subtle, smoky sweetness. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme and 1/2 teaspoon of dried dill for that fresh, herby finish. And finally, sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper if you'd like a little extra heat. Now mix everything together until the fresh citrus zest coats all the spices evenly and the rub becomes fragrant and well combined. Before we finish this up, make sure to leave a like if you're enjoying the recipe, share it with someone who loves salmon, and subscribe to SpiceRally for more homemade recipes like this. And don't forget to tap the bell icon so you're the first to catch the next upload. And your fresh citrus pepper salmon rub is ready. This recipe makes about 1/3 cup of fresh rub, enough for roughly 500 to 700 grams of salmon, depending on how generously you season. Since this is a salt-free seasoning blend, you can add salt separately based on your taste and preference. Because this rub contains fresh citrus zest, it's best to use fresh, but if needed, any leftover rub can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. So I hope you try this on your next salmon dinner and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more recipes like this.